Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Strategy. In this video we're gonna discuss about TS eamcet counseling process. So watch the video till the end to get surprise for all the eamcet aspirants. So let's start our video. So in TS eamcet counseling process we are going to discuss about a step-by-step process of this counseling process. So there are 6 steps which are to be followed in counseling process. So the first one is payment of processing fees, and the second one is certificate verification, third one is web options, fourth one is seat allotment, fifth one is seat confirmation, and sixth one is reporting at college, and the final option is the next phase. So in the next phase also we are going to repeat all these 6 steps. So this is the continuous process until the counseling schedule ends. So let's look into the step by step. So first we'll look into the processing fees. So in TS eamcet 2022 counseling, so first we have to pay processing fees. So first you should visit tseamcet.nic.in website. So there you will find the payment of processing fees. So first you need to fill the application, your basic details like application details, eamcet rank, caste details, income details, so and all other details you need to fill, and you need to pay the processing amount. It is around 1200. So next you should book your slot to verify the certificates. So you need to book the helpline center and the timing to verify the certificates. So after the slot booking you will get the receipt and download the receipt. So at the time of verification of certificates, so they will check the receipt. So download the receipt, and here the first step finishes. So the second step is certificate verification. So first of all we'll see what are the certificates which are required for counseling process. So first one is eamcet rank card. So second one is allotment order, 10th memo, inter memo, caste certificate, income certificate, residential certificate for non-locals, and study certificates, nothing but bona fide certificates of last 7 years from 6th to 12th, and date of birth certificate, ration card if you have any and if it is applicable, and last one is eamcet hall ticket. It is must and should to have all these certificates at the time of counseling process while attending the certificate verification process. So coming to certificate verification process, so your certificates will be verifying in a helpline center. You have already booked the slot and you will be going to the slot, going to the helpline center to verify your certificates. So there they will verify your certificates, original copies, and they will give a ROC form. So in that please check whether the fee reimbursement is yes or no. If you are applicable, the fee reimbursement will be yes for applicable students and it will be no for unapplicable students. So there you will get a login ID as a message to log in to the website to put web options. So then you need to generate the password out of that login ID, and you can start putting your web options on the website. So this is the process in certificate verification. So then the next step is web options. So web options is the most important step of counseling process. All the students, see, you must be careful at this point of counseling process because most of the students make mistake in these web options. Okay, so they will put their web options as they like and they will fall into some different colleges and they may not get their desired colleges because of this unawareness. So you must be careful while putting the web options. You will be putting the priority, so based upon your preference of college, your interest in the branch, so you will be given the priority. So you should keep the web options in a proper manner to secure a seat in a good college. So Here next comes about seat allotment and seat confirmation. So after putting the web options in the website, after giving your priority of colleges, so seat will be allotted to you, so through SMS to your registered mobile number. So you can confirm your seat by paying the tuition fees, and you can download the joining report for if you confirm your seat. So for full fee reimbursement students, you need not to pay any amount, because you will find there 0 rupees. So you need not to pay any amount. So for the students who are partially getting reimbursement, so they can pay the respective amount for their college, and you can confirm your seat and you can download your joining report. So after this, we'll be talking about the self-reporting at college. So you need to submit the certificates in order to report at the college. So you should go to the college and you should submit all the original copies of your certificate, and you can fill up the admission form and you can secure your admission in your desired college. So the next step is the next phase. So many of your students participate in that number of phases of counseling. So here in this step, all of you must be careful. So step by step I am going to explain about the next phase strategy in this counseling process. So firstly, if you are not satisfied with your allotted seat, so first confirm your seat. First confirm your allotted seat. Then after confirming your allotted seat, you can participate in the next phase without self-reporting at the college. Okay, first you have to confirm the seat, you have to accept the seat. Whichever seat you got, you should accept it, and you can participate in the next phase of counseling. Okay, and you can put your web options and you can give your web options, you can give your priorities, and you can participate in the college. So even after the next phase also you are not satisfied with the allotted college, allotted seat, then you can go for smart admissions and management quota. So mostly students make mistake in the phases, between first phase, between second phase, and between final phase. So you should not face any problem. You should be confident, and you should be aware of all this process. So this is the process of next phase. You should confirm your seat and you should participate in the next phase, and you should save the seat which you have been allotted in the first phase. So remember to save the seat for future use and download the joining report by confirming your seat. Okay, so as I have said in the beginning of the video, that all the eamcet aspirants will have a very big surprise. So here is a time to reveal the surprise for all the eamcet aspirants. So the surprise we are going to reveal now. So it is the biggest surprise for all the eamcet aspirants in the history of eamcet. Yes, I can proudly say that this is the biggest surprise for all the eamcet aspirants. So let's reveal the surprise for all the eamcet aspirants. So here is the surprise free web options preference list for all the students. So what we actually do with this web option preference list? See, many of you, I have already said that web options is the most important and crucial step of counseling process. So many of the students make mistakes in this process. So I myself have experienced. So my friend who got 10,000 rank, so he can get good branch and good college according to his rank, but due to unawareness and due to the lack of knowledge and lack of awareness, so he was unable to give his priority of colleges properly, and he missed the chance of getting into the top colleges. So you should not face such any issues. So I will help you throughout the counseling process. I'll provide you the guidance throughout the counseling process. See, we will provide you web options preference list in TSMCet 2022 counseling depending upon your rank and depending upon your interest in the branch. So any branch, any college, so you can fill out the Google form out there in the description. So you can find the link of the Google form in the description. So fill out the form and we'll send you the email, the list of all the colleges and preferences priority wise. So how you can get into this, how you can get this options list. So first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, join our Telegram group and share this video into WhatsApp groups. So these are the required eligibility criteria to get the preference list. So hurry up, fill the Google form and you can provide your email ID. I will email you the list of all the web options preference list. And many students make mistake in this web options phase. So I want everyone to get a seat in top 10 colleges. So I have made this free web options preference list for you all. So please subscribe my channel, if you like the video, please share among your friends, subscribe the channel and follow me on the Instagram. Thank you.